I have two more features to show you in MaxScheduler that may be useful for your day-to-day use of the program. The first one is a feature we recently added for a customer where you can color code the scheduled items. So for example, let's schedule these two items and they show up as reddish blocks, and you can change the color. Actually, I'll show you how it's done. If you have a attribute, for example, if you have the attribute called color, capital C-O-L-O-R, and you list colors in that data field, when you schedule the item, the scheduled item will take on that color. So let's let's change it just for argument. Let's go from red to blue. So when we schedule it, it shows up as a blue block. Okay. The next feature is one we created for a customer. This customer was doing a lot of delivery planning every day. They were planning truck trailer loads with up to 150 delivery destinations each day, and they were kind of doing it off the top of their head. And this was quite a long task that was taking upwards of 2 to 3 hours. We, using tools like Google Maps, for example, here's an example. With Google Maps, you can enter in an address, and Google Maps will give you it will show you where that address is. We have incorporated that into MaxScheduler. So if you have an address column, like here, capital ADDRESS, and you have addresses listed, it'll take those addresses and create one map with all those addresses plotted. And the value, we did this for our customers so that they can just take a look at a map and not have to guess where locations are. So I'll show you how it's done. And here an example, we have for example, a Canadian postal code, and then the other one is a full address. So to plot the map, go Board, Create Delivery Map. It pops up a little transcript window, which is kind of showing you the progress as it looks up each address. You'll get a kind of an error report. Here we didn't have any problem addresses. And then in the background, will come up a page showing those address locations. The number you see is the ID number that shows up in MaxScheduler when you import the jobs. Alright, thank you for taking the time to listen to this video.